Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to be going over my trade I made today. So today we went short in the silver bullet right here. We went short in there, and our target was Friday's first presented fair value gap. Pretty simple. So we got 5.25 handles out of that. So it's a plus $25 out of that. As we can see, we kind of jabbed into it above here. Our stop loss was like right at the bottom of this BISI here. So we were kind of lucked out on that. Didn't stop us out. It then went lower as it usually does. It does that a lot actually sometimes. But yeah, we went long or short in that. And then we got our 5.25 handles down to Friday's first presented fair value gap because we had not, the price actually hadn't went to that area yet. So yeah, pretty straightforward day. We actually had some movement here. If we go to our 15-minute time frame, go ahead and actually, I think it's Alt R. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so yeah, look at that. We went all the way down here, knocking out this low. We had a pretty interesting day. So I'm recording this on my new laptop. So I'm trying to get all the buttons and keybinds and things like that operational, or should I say, trying to figure out how it works, if that makes sense. So yeah, we got 5.25 handles. I kind of just been taking trades. Like, I know that's something I've been kind of slacking on, is that actually putting on the, like, I have the momentum there, like the actual idea of where price is going to go and what fair value gap is going to pick in order to use as a silver bullet. But I'm just so disciplined on not taking a trade and not engaging with price like I should. I've just been tape reading these last couple of years or so. But I've been feeling pretty confident. Like, even if I lose money, I just don't really care. It's just something that happens. And even making money, I don't have like that super huge dopamine spike whenever I make money anymore. It's just like, oh, it just happens. You know, we make $25. That's it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else to say besides I'm going to read over our little paragraph here. We got our 5.25 handles from the silver bullet fair value gap today. Price reaches for the Friday's first presented fair value gap as its target since price had not been there yet. I think it would have been better to have entered at the 10.04 fair value gap, but the one was a little bit large for our liking. Now, if I go to this one, the one I'm actually talking about here, so this is our silver bullet here. If I can, God, I'm still trying to get used to this. No, I don't want to, hold on. There we go. Okay, you stupid son of a, okay, there we go. So this is our initial silver bullet right here. And we went short in that one. But this one right here would have been much better. But if I take our little measuring tool here and I apply it, if I can, still trying to get used to this, it's 5.25 handles. So that means that that length of price action would have been against us. And usually my stop is about 4 handles, 5 handles at maximum. And I seen that it was just over our limit and I didn't want to do that. So being our discipline, we just let this one slide and we waited just a little bit longer until it got here. And yes, we had that little mohawk right there, almost reaching into that 1 hour BISI. But like I said, it's not that big of a deal. But I mean, we made money. So, you know, I don't care. Just trying to be really frugal, trying to be very humble at these beginnings because it is absolutely certain or important that we do that instead of just trying to go balls to the wall and trying to YOLO everything. So yeah, and I did live funds, by the way, not paper trading. Not to say that's really a big difference, but I just do live funds because it's just, you know, the difference between trading with live funds versus trading with paper money doesn't really make a difference because it's that consistency that you actually want to keep in check. It's not about the money, really. It's just about that consistency and then compounding it, risk management. You all know. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.